Hi, is this Mrs. Kim?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm calling from Sears to confirm a refrigerator delivery.
No, I didn't order.
Um, well,
I think you got a wrong number.
hang on one second, ma'am. Let me pull up the file. Um, yes, Mr. and Mrs. Kim. We have your credit card on file, and it's just a $500 cancellation fee, if you want to pay that. If not, ma'am, we can just leave the refrigerator on your front porch. It will be delivered tomorrow, May
No,
14th.
no. Yeah, hello.
Yes?
Hello.
Yes.
Just a moment. 근데 이거 전화 좀 받아봐봐. 아니, 텍스트로 Hello,
Hi, is this Mr. Kim?
Mr. Andrew Kim?
Yes. Roger Kim.
Who is this?
I'm Jonathan from Sears. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I explained to your wife that I'm just confirming the delivery. A refrigerator was ordered and it's being shipped tomorrow, May 14th.
Wait, who is it?
This is Jonathan from Sears. Is this Mr.
No.
Kim?
Well, can I get is there a credit card on file?
Yes, there is. Would you like to speak to a manager?
Sure.
Alright, give me just 1 second. I'm gonna put you through.
Hello, Mr. Kim. Hi, I'm William. I'm a supervisor at Sears. My employee forwarded your call. Can I help you, sir?
Can I what's your name?
William, sir.
What's your last name?
Jones.
Alright. Do you have a phone number that I can reach you? In case I get connected here?
I'm sorry, sir. I can't. I'm not in a position to give you a phone number that you can reach me at.
Give me the credit card number you have on file.
Sir, we're not allowed to give away clients' personal information like that.
I'll call this number again.
Yeah, baby, that was good. That was good,
Oh
baby.
my god.
Boys in the house, bounce.
Yeah.
Y'all already know what I'm about.